Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be making an extremely tender and flavorful Middle Eastern leg of lamb. In the Middle East, lamb is usually served as a centerpiece dish for most celebrations. Served it over turmeric rice along with some stock gravy, which is really easy to put together and you would probably have the ingredients for it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Now let's get started. These are the ingredients we need to marinate the lamb leg. First, let's prep the leg. If you see fat or skin that has dried, you should remove it. I'm doing that right now. Make few gashes on the meat so that the marinade seep well into the meat. Let's start the marination process, and it's going to be a simple one. In this bowl I've got juice of 1 lemon. To that I'm adding 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 2 tablespoons of crushed black peppercorns. Mix all these ingredients, apply it on the meat and in the cavity as well. Massage it for a minute or two. Now flip the meat and apply the marinade. Cover the meat and refrigerate it for 12 hours or leave it overnight to marinate. The meat was in the refrigerator for more than 12 hours. I left it overnight. The salt, pepper and the lemon juice has been well absorbed. Fill the cavities with garlic and green chilies. This will add a nice flavor to the meat. To keep the meat moist, add some oil and rub all over the meat on both sides. First, let's wrap the meat with a parchment paper. And then wrap it in a tin foil so that no air can escape. It will cook evenly. Into a big pot, add 4 cups of water. Place a stand in the center. Let the water come to a boil. Water has come to a rolling boil. Keep a plate. Place the wrapped meat on it. Now take a tin foil, secure it well all around. You can cook this in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 2 to 2.5 hours. It depends on the oven. Or you can also cook it on the stove top as shown here for 3 to 3.5 hours on a low heat. While the meat is getting cooked, let's make turmeric rice, and the ingredients are into a pot, add 1.5 tablespoons of each butter and olive oil. To this I am adding 2 tablespoons of raisins, 3 tablespoons of chopped almonds. Fry until the raisins balloon up. Into the same pot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half an inch of cinnamon sticks, 2 bay leaves and 3 dried lemon. Saute this for about 30 seconds. To this I am adding 1.5 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Fry this for a minute. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Give a mix. I am adding 2 cups of basmati rice. I just washed it. I did not soak it. Fry this for about 2 minutes. The ratio is 1:2 for 2 cups of rice, 4 cups of water. Instead of water, I am using 2 cups of chicken stock and 2 cups of milk. By adding this, you will get a rich taste in the rice. In which cup you measured the rice, in the same cup you measured the liquid also. This is very important. There is salt in the stock, so I am not adding salt to this dish. Just cover and bring it to a boil. Water has come to a nice boil. Now reduce the flame completely to low flame. Cook for about 20 minutes. Turmeric rice is done. Set aside. Now let's make a gravy for this. These are the ingredients to make stock gravy. We need a paste for this gravy. For that, into a blender, add 4 cloves of garlic, half an inch of ginger, 1 tomato roughly chopped, 1 onion roughly chopped. Grind this into a paste. Heat up 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, half an inch of cinnamon stick, 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes and 1 tablespoon of curry powder. Saute this for about 30 seconds. Bring back the flame to low and add the ground paste. Cook this really well or until the raw flavor goes away. Add 3/4 teaspoon of salt and 1.5 cups of stock. Add any stock of your liking. Cover and reduce the flame. Let it simmer for 3 minutes. Finally, add half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Give a mix and turn off the flame. The meat has been cooking for more than 3 hours. Now let's check it. Be very careful while removing the foil. Let's unwrap the foil. Smells really good. As you can see, the meat is separated from the bone. That's how we know the meat is well done. You can serve it as it is. I want the meat to be crispy, so I will simmer it lightly in a frying pan. Pour that into a pan. Add a tablespoon of oil. Place the meat gently and fry on both sides. I've got some stock from the lamb's leg. I don't want to waste it, so I'm adding it to the gravy. Garlic and herb roast leg of lamb, slow cooked to perfection with turmeric rice and stock gravy. This is simple yet tasty way of roasting a lamb leg without oven with simple ingredients yet making it so tasty. Do give it a try. For sure you'll wow your loved ones and friends. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you do, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. For more such videos, click on the left to check out my previous video and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.